How to Get High Score in Block Blast, Tips and Tricks 2025. Hey guys, today I'm sharing some pro tips to help you dominate Block Blast and achieve those coveted high scores, so make sure to watch till the end and let's dive in. First, open the Block Blast game on your device. Tip 1. Plan your moves. Don't just make random matches. Look ahead a few moves and try to anticipate how your current move will affect the board. Look for opportunities to create chains of matches and clear large sections. Tip 2. Master combos. Aim for matches of 4 or more blocks. These combos create special blocks like bombs and color changers that can significantly boost your score. Utilize power-ups strategically. Save your power-ups for when you're stuck or need to clear a large number of blocks. Don't waste them on small, insignificant matches. Tip 4. Focus on level objectives. Pay close attention to the specific objectives of each level, like clear a certain number of blocks, collect specific items. Prioritize clearing objectives to maximize your score. Tip 5. Adapt to the board. As levels progress, the board becomes more challenging with obstacles and limited space. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Sometimes, clearing obstacles is more important than making immediate matches. Tip 6. Practice and patience. Consistent practice is key to improving your skills. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Learn from your mistakes and try new strategies. And there you have it. I hope these tips help you achieve higher scores in Block Blast. Remember to practice, stay patient, and have fun. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your own Block Blast strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in next one.